Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haivyn, and as you probably read in the title, I'm going to be taking you guys on a little tour of my apartment here in downtown LA. I've been seeing a lot of videos like this lately, probably just because people are curious how much it costs to live in LA and what you're actually getting for your money. So before I moved into this apartment, I was living in a 2-story loft with 3 other girls. I had my own room and I was paying about $1,200 per month. Once I outgrew that space, I kind of just wanted my own place, so I moved here in March. And it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, somewhere between 700 to 800 square feet, and the rent is a little over $2,300 per month. After utilities, it comes out to like $2,400 per month. And do keep in mind that doesn't include other bills like Wi-Fi, obviously groceries, all that jazz. But I work from home a lot, I'm here a lot of the time, so to me it's worth it. And honestly, most places in LA, if you want your own space, it's going to be pretty pricey. So now I'm going to show you guys all of the amenities of my apartment, and then also show you the inside of my apartment. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to take you guys through the front entrance and show you the lobby. It has 24-hour security, and my personal favorite thing about the lobby is the coffee machine. It serves everything from espressos, lattes, and even hot chocolate. Okay, so this is the downstairs pool area, and it's normally really packed during the summertime, obviously. There's also a jacuzzi, hammocks, lots of lounge chairs. And this is a little lounge viewing area. They play big sports games, so people will come out here, chill by the pool, and barbecue. Okay, now this is probably my favorite amenity. It's the screening room, and you can rent this out, bring your friends, your family, whoever you want, and watch movies. And this is the last section of the commons area. It has a little kitchen and just some lounge seating areas. Also has barbecues outside, ping pong table, lots of games. And now for the gym, it's 2 stories and it pretty much has every machine you could ask for. And they do offer free workout classes here. They have spin classes, boxing classes, yoga, HIIT workouts, all of that, pretty much every day of the week, sometimes multiple times a day. Okay, and this is the rooftop pool. This gets really packed in the summer. There is not as much seating as the downstairs pool, but it also has barbecues up here as well. Okay, and now for the last common area. There's a little meeting room. You can also rent this out for free if you have like a business meeting or you take a call or just get some work done. People are normally just chilling down here working on their laptops, whatever. And this outdoor section is pretty cool. You can rent out this whole thing and like throw a party if you wanted to. There's a little pool table, fire pits, and it also just has a really nice view. Alright, and the last amenity is this little pet grooming station for once I finally get a dog. Okay, and now for my bathroom. This is where I keep most of my makeup, in this little corner right here, and then also in the storage underneath the sink. And my cute little bath rug, I got it as a housewarming gift from one of my best friends. And the inside of the shower is also marble finish. This complex has washers and dryers in unit, which is honestly so convenient compared to other places. Now for my room, this is where I keep most of my outerwear and my extra shoes. Also keep a million things under my bed. This is my shoe rack and my little nightstand essentials. Okay, honestly, this corner is really messy, but it's just a combination of clothes I'm selling and PR packages that I still have to go through. As for my closet, it is super messy, but there's a lot of space in here. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of clothes and list a lot of them on Poshmark. I keep my luggage at the top. Again, my outerwear and extra shoes. And that's it for my room. Now for my favorite room, I spend the most time in here. It's my living room and my little kitchen and dining area. I just have some cute little decor. I have my little dining table from IKEA in the corner. Honestly, it's pretty small, but I fit a lot in here and I am making it work. Over here, I have my little wine rack and then some decor on my TV unit, my little desk area by the window, and that's pretty much it for my apartment.
She could paint the sky like a photo, yeah. And baby, we should never know, if we won't try.